Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick full detail review about this automated intelligence management tools called Jamf Pro. So here's a breakdown. Jamf Pro is a powerful device management platform built for Apple-centric environment, especially business, schools, organizations that run on Mac OS, iPad, iOS and TV at scale. It automates device deployment, security enforcement, app distribution, patching, and policy setup from a central dashboard. So IT teams can manage hundreds or thousands of Apple devices without manual script. Jamf also focuses on deep Apple integration and intelligent automation, which make it a go-to for enterprise that want seamless onboarding, zero-touch deployment, and tight security compliance. That said, Jamf Pro isn't cheap and it can feel complex for very small teams or organizations with only a handful of devices. Some device workflow also have a learning curve before you fully unlock automation benefit. So in my opinion, Jamf Pro is one of the best solutions for automated, intelligent Apple device management, also ideal for IT teams that need enterprise-grade control and efficiency. But the overkill part for casual Apple users or the tiny setup is the most important thing. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.